Hello everybody, welcome back to the Gourmet Grandad and Family channel. So today's going to be a fresh salmon dish, and I'm saying fresh because it's going to be uncooked, and it will be a salmon tartar, apple and avocado dish. So no cooking, and I'm only preparing for one, so when I run through the quantities in the recipe, then just double up if you're doing it for two. Okay, so here we go. Finely chop or cut up a tablespoon of chives. Okay, so in our bowl, in we go with half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. There we go. And a teaspoon of lemon juice. Actually, I'm going to put 2 in here. And 2 teaspoons of olive oil. There we go. And then in we go with the chopped chives. And we want to give that a very nice mix. So it's all mixed nicely together. There, it's looking good. So we're going to need half an apple because this is just for one portion. So just going to take the core out, but leave the skin on. And then this needs to be finely diced. So what I'm going to use is a little chopper that we picked up in France. And so in go my apples and a sprinkle of lemon juice, and that will help to keep the apples nice and fresh, not go brown. And now and here, voila, we have our chopped apples. Or you can just do it with a knife, but this always reminds me of holidays in France, so there we go, we have our apples. Oh, there. Now we pop 2/3 of the apple into the mixture that we made earlier, keeping a little bit back for dressing, and we mix that nicely so it's all covered, and then we can put that to one side, ready for later. You need to carefully separate the salmon flesh from the skin, as I'm doing here. Now you need to finely dice the salmon fillet. Now we add the salmon to the apple chive mustard mixture and some black pepper. Now that's an individual choice, add whatever, as much or as little as you want, and again we mix it all together, and then I'm going to pop that in the fridge. And what that will do is the lemon juice will start to sort of macerate the salmon, and for those that don't know, macerating is a sort of form of cooking but without cooking. So anyway, there we go, that's all nicely mixed together. So that will go in the fridge and I'll get the rest prepared. So we'll just use half of this avocado. The other half I'll put some lemon juice on and pop some cling film on, and that can go in the fridge and that will keep, and the lemon juice will stop it going brown. So now we need to take the skin off of the avocado. This is a lovely fresh, ready and ripe. Sometimes you get them and they're so hard. Okay, we've peeled our avocado and now we need to chop it up finely. It's a lovely ripe avocado, so that's good. Now we'll put the avocado into a bowl. Here we go. Now we add a little bit of lemon juice. And we can put... Okay, with the lemon juice in, we just need to mash it down with a fork now, just to break the avocado down a little bit. And then we can save it for when we're ready to compile the whole dish. Okay, so now we're ready to compile. Now I'm going to show you making one because there's enough mixture to make two, but I can only find one ring, so I'll show you the finished article when I've done both. So here we go. So we put in half of the avocado, goes into our ring. And then we just press that down. There we go. And then we take our salmon mixture from the fridge. That's been in there now for about an hour, so it will have macerated a little bit with the lemon juice. Now remember, this has got the Dijon mustard, the pepper, the apples, the chives. There we go. I'm going to push that down. And there we go. And then we just serve this with some of the chopped apple that we kept in reserve. And some cress if you have it. So I'll show you the finished article in a moment, but this is how to compile it. I served the meal with some lemon and coriander couscous, and I have to say the meal was delicious and healthy too. So if you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again with another video soon.